Raise it hot, you may load and make ready. Oh, I see clear. Actually, I'm not even supposed to say that no more.
What do you say?
If clear, so, I mean, new rules.
Oh, the if clear stuff?
Yeah, the if clear stuff. You know, and they just threw that on us, so I don't even.
SASP is not that granular, but USPSA is.
Are you ready? Stand by.
I hit that one twice.
You're hitting to the right.
517. You just get some target practice. Throw that one out. Are you ready? Stand by. Four, 6, 5. Are you ready? Stand by. Nice. 2, 3, 2.
Getting warmed up now.
Are you ready? Stand by. Two, 6, 2. I mean 2, 6, 6.
Okay. Hit them final.
Are you ready? Stand by. Five, 3, 9.
Getting there.
If clear, flag and bag. Range clear, pin them up. I mean, yeah.
Watch that muzzle sweeping across your hands as you're pulling out. I see clear.
Big watch.
That way I can see in my blindness.
Don't need a scope.
Are you ready? Stand by. Two, 5, 0. Are you ready? Stand by.
Mulligan.
Mulligan.
I don't know what happened there, but
You think your thumb's hitting?
Are you ready? Stand by. 144. Are you ready? Stand by. 239. Are you ready? Stand by. 247.
247, fifth and final riot.
Fifth and final. Are you ready? Stand by. 228. If finished, unload, show clear. I see clear. Chamber and bag it. Watch your hands going in the bag. All right, we are safe. Ranger's clear. Pin them up.
Nice run.
what?
858.
Okay.
Come up as soon as you're in sight.
Shooter.
Focus on the target.
Clear.
Shot mentality, right? You look, your eyes move faster than your hands. But that's the pre-shot drill. Right?
Are you ready? Stand by.
All right,
Okay, buddy, smooth and steady.
you don't have to.
Are you ready? Stand by.
636.
636. It's okay.
Are you ready? Stand by. .418.
Good job.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Good run. There you
307.
Fifth and final.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Mulligan.
Mulligan. Mulligan. Nice roll. Are you ready? Stand by. .359.
359.
Clear.
Wait. I forget this isn't center fire.
Base clear, base clear, buddy. You looking for center fire? What's this?
Mag, it's jammed.
A4. It almost looks like the speed lips are a little. Okay. Come on up, shooter.
We just did. We only had one jam today, but we were running federal and we had nothing but problems.
For the pick. Clear.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Good run.
342. Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by.
Mulligan.
Mulligan.
Light primer.
Maybe. Moisten that magazine.
Are you ready? Stand by.
What was that one?
312.
Okay, got it.
Are you ready? Stand by. .314.
Fifth and final.
Are you ready? Stand by. Clear. If you are finished, flag it, bag it.
It'll be a big one. That was a fun run, buddy.
Yeah.